Hey, and welcome to Lee's Detailing and Automotive Curation. So this is our first ever video for the channel, so welcome. And today what we're going to be revealing is our next big project. Finished the previous Mercedes E-Class, which we'll talk you through on a later date in several videos. And what we're going to introduce you today is today's acquisition coming off the back of a tow truck in all of its glittery goodness. I'd like to present to you our 500 SEC Restomod. So this absolute horror of a paint job of a vehicle is covered in beautiful, I'd like to say late 80s, early 90s speedboat glitter finish, which we're going to get out in the sunlight for you later on so you can see it all in its amazing goodness. So it's kind of like the forbidden glitter, but it's only on the outside, we're hoping so far. So I take it for a bit of a walk around. So she's got the 5.0 litre V8 mechanical injection under this beautiful, as you can see, pick up in the light there, glitter. It's a relatively square body, and coming up onto the top here, two owners ago decided that they didn't want the sunroof anymore, so we welded it in and then bogged it all in there, so it looks absolutely amazing. The body is relatively straight. We took it across to the panel beaters straight after the tow truck, and he said he was happy, and the only question was, how big is your wallet? So he's keen to help. My goal with this project is to do absolutely as much as possible, so we'll be diving into a bit of paint stripping, getting it down to the bare basics. There's some really big plans with this. We are going to be going absolutely all out. So basic rundown is we're going to be acquiring some wide body guards for the rear and the fronts. We have some emissions of some NASCAR style side exhausts. Suspension as a standard is going to be using AccuAir airbags. Interior, we're looking, it's got a decent interior and now there's still it's the second interior for the car. We've got a fair bit of cushioning in there, hardly any wrinkling or aging, so I'm really looking forward to getting some conditioning, cleaning onto that. Everything's going to be Alcantara wrapped. We're going to keep these seats for now. We'll be looking at the Recaro seats, going to be pricey. Interior and dash, we're going to be looking to replacing all aircon controls, light switches controls, everything with some beveled aluminium, which is going to be and look amazing. So that means we have the beauty and freedom of completely rebuilding that center dash control, putting in what we want, the aesthetics that we like, so everything looks absolutely amazing. And just behind you there we have our resident mechanic who's running away or hobbling. So this is Ben. He's going to be doing the mechanical work with me once he's functional. Hey, right, so while the vehicle is being run from place to place, getting all the work done, it's going to be stored here at Elita Lab Werks. And introducing Damien here. He looks after the facility, and it's quite unique in what they do here. And how many years have you guys been running for?
We've been operating for about 3 years now.
And what would you describe you guys do for your clients and their vehicles?
So I'd say the main thing that we would do is collection management. So we look after cars mainly from collections, from anywhere between car storage to detailing to light restoration. Everything gets done in-house, well, except paint. Yeah. We save that for the guys that actually know what they're doing.
Yeah. And yet the team here has also looked after some leather work on my other Mercedes as well. And yeah, very happy with the work that was done. Go well, thank you for looking after the baby for us, and you'll be seeing us in and out, and this thing moving hopefully under its, well, it does move under its own steam, but a little bit smoother with a bit of a nicer idle on it. Yeah. Right? Thanks for tuning in.